The Henny Colada, huh? Suppose you want to drink some Hennessy, but you also want to be at the beach, okay? We brought those two together. So we start off with some Hennessy, delicioso. Come behind it with some pineapple juice. Wait a minute, Sky. Hennessy doesn't go pineapple juice? Who would do that? I would, okay? So stop crying. Hit that with some cream of coconut. You don't know where life will take you unless you walk the path least traveled. Hallelujah. That's somewhere in the Bible, and they were talking about this. Shake, shake, shake. Fresh ice. Put some caramel syrup inside that bad boy. And then we pour. Look at that slide down. You just take your time. Just reflect on this, okay? That's happiness right there. Pour our little mix down. Watch it settle at the bottom. Come up to the top. Hallelujah, that is a beautiful drink. Put a little cherry on top, okay? Just to show you classy, okay? Keep it tropical. That's a little tropical straw, okay? It's paper, but it looks like a bamboo stick. And there you have it, the Henny Colada, a little wink, a little sip. And then I realized, wow, these two really go together, okay? Then the ratchetivity hit me, and then I start doing some ratchet stuff with the bottle in my hand, like I'm a rapper, but I'm not really a rapper, okay? Stay tipsy.